If a fake Trustpilot review is killing your sales, you're wondering, can you sue for defamation? And here's the exact legal path. Here's the problem. Most defamation lawsuits against review platforms fail immediately. Screenshot the defamatory review within 24 hours before the poster edits or deletes it. Check if the review contains provably false factual claims, not just opinions, which fail 87% of defamation cases. A competitor posts a Trustpilot review claiming you stole their money or ran a scam. Within 72 hours your conversion rate drops 40% because buyers see that fake accusation. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle defamatory reviews that cross the line from opinion into false factual statements. The legal question isn't whether the review hurts, it's whether you can prove it's factually false and the platform or poster is liable. Most people fail here. They try to sue Trustpilot directly under defamation law. That almost never works because Trustpilot is protected by Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act in the US, which shields platforms from liability for third-party content. You can't sue the platform, you sue the person who wrote the review. With ReputationZilla we identify the reviewer, file the dispute with Trustpilot under their content policy, and escalate to legal demand letters when defamation is clear. Your first legal step is identifying the poster. Trustpilot hides email addresses, but court subpoenas force disclosure in 14 to 21 days if you file a John Doe lawsuit. ReputationZilla works with defamation attorneys who handle this process. We've seen disclosure happen in as little as 16 days when the review contains provably false claims about fraud or theft. Once you identify the poster, send a cease and desist letter citing the specific false statements. This is important. The letter must quote exact phrases from the review, explain why each is factually false with evidence like order records or contracts, and demand removal within 7 days. Trustpilot removes 68% of reviews once the poster receives legal notice and stops defending the claim, because most fake reviewers vanish when lawyers get involved. Here's the problem. Path A is filing a defamation lawsuit yourself, which costs $8,000 to $15,000 in legal fees and takes 9 to 18 months with a 22% success rate for small business plaintiffs. Path B is ReputationZilla's dispute and legal demand process, which costs under $2,000, takes 3 to 6 weeks, and removes the review in 68% of cases without ever stepping into court. If Trustpilot refuses removal after your legal demand, escalate to a defamation lawsuit in your local jurisdiction. The exact wording for your complaint must cite these elements. 1. The statement is false. 2. It was published to third parties on Trustpilot. 3. It caused measurable harm like lost revenue or reputational damage. 4. The poster knew it was false or acted with reckless disregard for truth. Your attorney files in small claims court if damages are under $10,000, or civil court for larger claims, and includes a request for injunctive relief demanding immediate review removal. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. This review contains false factual statements including, quote exact phrase. This claim is provably false as evidenced by, cite document, order number, contract, or receipt. The review violates Trustpilot's guidelines prohibiting false information. I demand removal within 7 business days and reserve all legal rights including defamation claims under your state law. Screenshot the defamatory review within 24 hours. Identify the poster via subpoena in 14 to 21 days. Stop wasting months on lawsuits. ReputationZilla removes it in 3 to 6 weeks, link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete defamation removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.